devices or because of their convenience and whatever it is. So it's like basically if when two different users, two different profiles want to see different kind of page layout. So page layout means whatever we are seeing in the details page, that is we call it as page layout. So this is a list view, and when you click on this one, so this is we call as page layout.
Page layout, okay.
One page layout. This also page layout. It's like when we are clicking on new button, you will be seeing the page layout here. So suppose I have less fields, so we will create some more fields. So depends on the profile you are saying. So this profile, we want to give only this kind of options. Like only 2 to 3 fields only we want to give it. As remaining field they no need to fill. It's not mandatory for the profile. And for different profile you want some other fields like entirely different page layout. And one more thing what you can do is with record type you can control the pick list field. So different companies follow their sales process. So let's say whenever a customer comes in, so at the time what they will do, they will just make it a prospect. Then they will change them like a potential customer, and okay, he is like some different pick list value. So, but some other people, they might change the sequence of different pick list value. So what we can do, instead of creating a two different pick list values, so depends on the profile, we can control the pick list like which are the values should be shown using record type. So let us create some more field. So be able to create one more pick list field. So I'm giving different pick list value for this. And I'm giving for all the profiles. Okay, so I just created two more extra fields here. One is for pick list, one is extra phone number and status location. So if you go left side, so this is for field to create the fields. So here we have something called page layout. So this is the screen you are seeing over there. So if you click on this page layout, so by default one page layout will get created whenever we are creating the new object. So if you can see here, so whatever fields I have created, all the fields are here. So all the 4 fields are there. So what we can do, just click on page layout again. So we can create the new page layout before creating a record type. I'm just clicking on new page layout. So if you want to copy from existing page layout, you can do that. Otherwise, you can drag and drop whatever you want. I'll do from existing and I'll remove some field. It will be better. So I created a new page layout, which is called sales page layout.
Okay.
So here we have the same thing. So let me just remove for time being this dealer phone. So I removed this particular field and I'm saving it. So there is only difference between these two page layout. It's having dealer phone. This sales page layout, it's not having the dealer phone. Okay. So then we can go to record types. So we don't have any record types. How to create a new record type. So I'll give the label. I'm giving sales record type name. I'm just enabling for all the profiles. So here we have to choose which page layout for this record type. So later we will assign this particular page layout for the particular profile. So you can just, for sales one, I want sales page layout. So here if you can see down, this everything is changed to the page layout. So this left side, everything is a profile. So you can see it's a system administrator profile and all the profiles will be available. So I'm just changing whenever, if anyone is having sales profile, I mean sales record type, so they will be having this sales page layout. So they will see that kind of screen in there. So just clicking on save. Okay. So here you will be, after saving it, here you will be able to see pick list available for editing. So like I said, we can control the pick list inside record types. So let's say I'm going to this source pick list field, which I have created. So I have created this many fields: new, pending, approved, submitted, submit for approval. So let's say I don't want for this particular page layout this value.
Okay.
So I will just push this it here. So I will just inactivate this particular value. Remaining 4 values will be there. Okay. So I just remove one. value from pick list. Okay, so like this, if you want, you can control how many pick list you want to control, you can control it. Once you are done this one, just go again and keep one more. See, dealer. So for dealer, I'm keeping Maruti car layout. So this is a which is created automatically. So whenever you have this particular record type, I'm keeping this one. I save it. Okay, so here also we have this source field. Here I'm not editing it. So let it be all the values here for the source field. So this one I activated. Check that previous one is not activated. Yeah, this one also activated. So now once it's activated, so here you will be having page layout assignment. So if you go to record types, here you will be seeing page layout assignment. If you click on this one, you will be able to see which record type and which page layout. Here you will see left side which profile. So it's like we have to calculate like for marketing profile and dealer record type, he will be having this Maruti car layout. For same marketing profile with sales record type, he will be having sales page layout.
Okay.
So it's like we have to, if you want any values, we can change it. Suppose for system administrator, you want to show only sales page layout for every time. So you can put it here also. If you just click on this, click on that. You can just click on edit assignment. If you want to change it for system administrator, you can just choose this one. From here, you can change it. The sales. So it will get changed here. Like this, you can arrange for depends on the profile and everything. We can arrange the different page layouts. So let's check in UI, then we are more understanding. Came to this application. So now just clicking on new. So it will ask me which record type you want to create, whether sales or dealer initially. So before when we created, so at that time it will not ask you anything. Okay. So now since we have created two record types, so if you have created only one, then it wouldn't have asked because by default it will just choose that particular record type. Since we have created two, it will ask which. So let's say I want to create sales. So in sales, what I have done is I have removed the dealer phone number, right? So if I click on next, see here I am not able to see the dealer phone number, that particular field. And if I see this pick list also, I will not be able to see that submitted for approval.
Okay.
So I'm just creating new. Status active. So if I go and create the dealer one, in dealer everything was normal. I have created. So here I can see the dealer phone number, and if you go to source, I'm able to see the all the pick list value. We submitted for approval also. I'm able to see it. So here basically it's like you are controlling the visibility of the people. Depends on their profile. So like this, you can create a multiple page layout for the multiple people.
Okay.
So you can control their access also. Because if they are not able to see this particular field, so they will not be able to edit it. If you don't want to show some field to some people, so you can just remove from their page layout and just assign to their profile. So remaining you can just assign to whatever profile you want. So like this, you have to control the QA part of this. So let me create this active. So it's like whoever is in lower level, so they will try get less fields to access it. So how to control is that, so if you don't give second record type to them, so they will not be able to see. Since I am logging as an administrator, I am able to see both and I have given access. So So I am a system administrator. So here this one. So I have given two different page layout. So let me change this one. This one. Let's change this sales page layout to normal. I'm saving it. Last time I did not save it. Okay, so if I see for administrator, I have both are same page layout. So if I go here, I have to more record type access. Record types. So what I will go to this particular profile and remove the access of that record type. So I have given access to that record type. So this is system administrator. I came to profile and system administrator. If I want to edit it, so here I can click on edit. So here we have record type settings. So our object is Maruti car. So here we have two record type is assigned to this particular profile. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just remove this one record type. Just click on save. Now system administrator having only one record type. Go and reload this. So that means what I'm trying to do is I'm just giving, I have some multiple record types and multiple page layout, but I'm giving access to one profile to one record type only. So that, so whenever they are creating it, automatically it become a dealer record type. They no need to choose it again, one thing. Second thing, they will see the by default whatever page layout is assigned to the dealer. So
Okay.
click on new. Still it's okay. It's not reloaded. So I'm just clicking on new as the same system administrator. Now currently it's not asking me any kind of record type. Okay, but it's showing by default dealer record type, like how we have created dealer record type. So I can just choose status and everything. So it's showing my for me dealer phone number also. So like whenever you have only one access with one record type for one profile, so automatically it will set by default record type. So they no need to choose according to that. So if I give this one, uh, I need to pull that record type field. I will just show you. Save it. Go to this. page layout. So I will tell you how to create a page layout we saw. So how to edit it. If you want to edit any of the page layout, you can come to this page layout. I want to edit this one, this page layout. Just click on it. You'll be able to see all the fields here. So now I got this record type field also. Since we have created record type, we got this field. It's a standard field. So I did not create a specially field. So automatically it came after I created the record type. What I'm doing, I'm just putting this record type field in the page layout so that I can see which record type is for this particular record. I saved it. Come here and read. See here, when I'm creating new record, now I'm able to see this is a dealer record type because I have only access to dealer record type. So it's created with the dealer record type by default. So I cannot edit it also since I don't have access to any other record type. If I have access to any other record type, then I will be able to change it. So this is the main use case of the record type and page layout, how to configure these two. So and how we can control the pick list field also. So what you can do, we have created an object, custom object. So we can create some more field like same way. So I think so Mohammed, he has created a Ford application, something like that. So it's okay, both are same only. So you can also create it, Arvind. So you can just need to create one more pick list field. In custom object. And have to create two record types. And two page layout. So each record type should have one page layout. That can be done in page layout assignment. So first we have to create our fields. After that we have to create a page layout. Then we have to create a record type. Then we have to assign it. This one here.
So record type wasn't done for me, I guess.
Yeah, it's not even for Arvind. So we have done now only. No? We have created.
No, page layout we have done.
Yeah, correct. So
Just
that's why.
and then we did relationship and fields.
Yeah. So yeah, today you will create a new record type.
Yes.
Oh, I showed you, right, how to create a new record type.
Yes, I got to
so
know.
What you can do, you create some more fields. I think so you are also having less fields. If you have more fields, then you will be able to change the things and check. So you can create one more page layout in your same object. And after that, you create a two record type and activate both of them. And go to page layout assignment and assign for let's say first you have a dealer record type. So you can create one page layout called dealer page layout. You can assign for system administrator because we are a system admin. And second one, if it's like sales, you can by default you must be having one page layout, which will be something like 4 page layout for you. This also profile will be system admin. So that table should be in this form, like I showed on page layout assignment table, right? So for system administrator profile, page layout should be this one and record type should be this one. Like this, if you assign 2 different things, then you will be able to see two different record type whenever you are creating new record.